Hello, everyone! In this video, we're going to explore one of the most powerful features inside Gemini that many people overlook: Canvas. Gemini Canvas completely changes how you work with AI. Instead of just generating text, you can edit content, build dashboards, generate presentations, and even create interactive applications in one workspace. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 practical use cases that demonstrate how Gemini can become a serious productivity tool. Let's get started. Case 1. Editing and refining writing in real time first. Let's see how we can edit and refine writing directly inside Gemini. Imagine you're drafting a short business article for LinkedIn or a company blog about how AI agents are transforming small business operations. Instead of generating text and editing it somewhere else, we'll use Canvas as a live editing workspace. Here's the prompt we'll enter. Write a 500-word article explaining how AI agents are transforming small business operations in 2026. Include examples in retail, education, and professional services. Keep the tone professional and practical. Before submitting the prompt, we go to Tools, Canvas, and select it. Once the article generates, it opens inside a structured workspace. You'll see a clear headline, introduction, sections with subtitles, and a conclusion. This is where Canvas becomes powerful. Instead of copying the text into another document, you can edit everything directly inside this workspace. For example, shorten the introduction if it feels too generic. Highlight the retail section and ask Gemini to add a real-world example with numbers. Select the entire article and adjust the tone from neutral to slightly persuasive. The key difference here is that you're not starting over. You can easily change the length for different platforms, adjust tone and style, request edits or improvements. When you're finished, you can simply export the final version or copy the polished article. Canvas turns writing from a one-shot output into an interactive editing process. Case 2. Building a smart personal budget planner next. We'll use Gemini Canvas to build something more advanced, a fully interactive smart personal budget planner. This tool, while track spending, calculates savings in real time, alert us when we overspend. Store monthly data and show spending trends. Here's a prompt. Build a fully interactive smart personal budget planner as a single HTML file with embedded CSS and JavaScript that runs in Canvas Preview. Let users enter income, adjust spending across key categories with live totals, progress bars, savings rate, overspending alerts, and a financial health badge. Include a Save Month button that stores data and creates a visual history dashboard with trends. Use a clean, responsive design and instant updates. No external libraries. Again, we select Tools, gives Canvas, and submit the prompt. Gemini then generates the entire application. Once it's ready, we can open it as a full web page. The result is a working budgeting app where you can enter monthly income, adjust spending using sliders. Watch totals update, instantly view the distribution of spending visually. When you click Save Snapshot, the data gets stored and added to a budget history dashboard. This allows you to track spending trends over time and see whether your financial habits are improving. For the third use case, we'll transform a sales spreadsheet into an executive dashboard. Imagine you have a spreadsheet containing 12 months of revenue, product performance, regional sales, customer acquisition data. Return rates. Normally, you'd scroll through rows and columns trying to identify patterns. Instead, we upload the spreadsheet and use this prompt. Act as a senior business analyst. Analyze the attached 12-month sales dataset and identify key revenue trends. TOP, performing products, underperforming regions, and customer acquisition patterns. Build a clean, interactive executive dashboard with visual charts showing revenue growth over time, regional comparisons, product performance breakdown, and acquisition trends. Include a concise 3-point executive summary highlighting risks and opportunities. Before submitting, we select Canvas again. Gemini generates a live executive dashboard. This includes key metrics such as total revenue and top performing products, a short executive summary, revenue mix analysis, revenue growth charts, detailed analytics with visual insights. Instead of just analyzing data, you now have a decision-ready dashboard built directly from your spreadsheet. Case 4, creating presentations from Notebook LM. Our fourth use case combines Gemini Canvas with Notebook LM to generate presentations. The advantage here is that you can access your notebooks directly inside Gemini, meaning the output is based on your actual research sources, not generic information. Here's the process. First, click Add Files, gives Notebook LM and select your notebook. For this example, we'll use a notebook called AI and Robotics: Future Impact on Jobs. Then we select Canvas and enter this prompt. Create a professional 12-slide executive presentation. Structure the slides with clear titles and concise bullet points. Include current AI and robotics trends, impact on employment sectors, emerging skill demands, economic implications, risks, and future outlook. When we submit the prompt, Gemini reads the notebook and generates structured slides. You'll get a title slide, clearly organized sections, concise executive bullet points, a final slide with key takeaways. The major advantage is that the presentation reflects the actual arguments and insights from your notebook, making it much more meaningful. You can refine the slides further and export them directly to Google Slides. Case 5. Building a live simulation for the final example. We'll use Canvas to build a population and resources simulator. In this model, each moving dot represents a person, and the system evolves based on different conditions. After selecting Canvas, we enter the prompt to generate the simulation. Gemini creates a fully interactive model. At the top, you'll see a live simulation area with population movement. Below that, you'll find 3 adjustable controls: birth rate, resource, supply, healthcare quality. These sliders allow you to change the system while the simulation runs. For example, if we increase the birth rate while keeping resources low, the population grows rapidly. As that happens, the resource bar declines, the system status shifts from sustainable to strained, and eventually critical. The dashboard updates live metrics such as population size, births per minute, deaths per minute, resources per person. An event log also explains changes as they happen. This makes Canvas incredibly useful for education, teaching, and prototyping simulations. Final thoughts. So that was Gemini Canvas in action. We looked at how it can be used to edit and refine articles, build interactive apps, turn spreadsheets into dashboards, generate presentations from Notebook LM, create live simulations. The key takeaway is this: Gemini Canvas isn't just about getting answers. It's about building structured, interactive outputs that you can actually use. I hope you found this useful and got a few practical ideas to try yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future breakdowns. And let me know in the comments which use case you'd like me to explore next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.